Hello everyone. In a series of videos, I'd like to introduce the general information of the front ISTA, which is an open source parallel finite element method program which can treat the nonlinear structural problems. I am Hiroshi Okuda, working as a professor at the University of Tokyo. Also, at the same time, we have founded an Front ISTA Commons Association, which is operating some users communication or maintenance working groups. Okay, so today's talk, some general information about the front ISTA is introduced, and they are divided into these 6 videos, including the first one, which is now you are looking. And first of all, I'd like to introduce why we need parallel computations. And also in the introduction slide, I'd like to mention 2 kinds of computational environments on which you can run the front ISTAs. And coming videos, I'd like to introduce several overview about the front ISTA functions or how you can run the front ISTA, and also the sequential computation and the parallel computation of the front ISTAs. Actually, the parallel computation is one of the most important characteristics of front ISTA. And finally, I'd like to introduce some industrial applications and supporting information of front ISTA. Okay, first of all, this slide shows the general background, why we have been continuing the development of the parallel structure analysis program entitled Front ISTA. So as you can see that the hardware parallelization enables faster speeds, and larger capability is realized. And such ability is due to the CPU's parallelization and the data transfer efficiency. Those 2 aspects are the main reason of the continuous development of the hardware performance establishment. And so since this trend seems to continue in coming maybe several or 10 years, we still need to explore the parallel programs, mainly about the structure. Actually, we are now focusing on the structural analysis system on which can enjoy the parallel hardware performances. And so there are various kinds of parallel environments. Sometimes the PC cluster consists of 10 to 100 cores, otherwise nodes, or if more than 1,000 or more number of nodes are combined with the high speed network, there are various kinds of supercomputers. So frontier star, one of the most important characteristics of the frontier star is the parallel performance. So by using the frontier star, you can enjoy these parallel hardware environments as possible as you can, to some extent anyhow. So these points are the main reason why we still need the parallel structural analysis system. Okay, and so I'd like to mention two kinds of computer environments. The first one is the supercomputer use as for the computational server. So if you have your local environment, like a personal computer, you may prepare the input data for the frontier star. Mainly, perhaps the main operation system environments are Windows or Mac, and you may prepare the input data, or after the computation you would visualize the computational results. And once you have prepared the input data, you would transfer those files through the terminal connection softwares, and then now you can run the frontier star on the parallel hardware architectures. And generally, at the computational server, the Unix environment are the general case, so you may log in, or you need to use some Unix system. And when you are going to run the frontier star, you would submit the job through the job scheduler utilities. Okay. And the second computational environment is that you would use only personal computer or local environment. So once you have a personal computer here, data preparation or execution of frontier star and the visualization of the computational results, all the finite element processes are done at your local environment. And so in this case, you may work on either on the Windows or Mac environment. And frontier star can run on each computational or operation system environment. In other words, the portability of frontier star is quite nice. So, and if you assume the PC use only environment, you may use RiboCap Prepost or Easy iStar, ParaView, and sometimes commercial prepost system is support the data format of the frontier stars. So, and for instance, is RiboCap or Easy iStar, you don't need to install the front iStar separately, and you can use the pre and post processor environment, not with considering the existence of the front iStar, which is placed behind the graphics user interface.